So your objective in this tutorial is students will be able to add text and graphics to their Glogster. The first thing you need to do is open up Glogster and then scroll down to the bottom to find that glog that you were working on previously. Once you found it, click the pink edit button and it'll take you back to your glog. So the first thing we're going to do is add text. So in the menu on the left, we're going to click the text button and it shows you all the options you have for how your text looks like. So you can make your text in a bubble, you can make your text plain so it just be the text on top of your background, and then they have text that have all these cute little graphics and pictures around them. So find one that you like. I like this one, and then click use it and I'll add it to your glog. From there you can click it and you can move it around your page to wherever you want. You can also move this menu down if it's in your way. There are arrows in each of the corners. If you click and drag these arrows, you can make your text bigger or smaller. There's also rounded arrows. These allow you to rotate your text. From here, there's a button that says edit. You want to click edit, and this will allow you to edit your text. So I'm going to type Mrs. Huber. The next button is to change the graphic color. So I can use this little, it's called an eyedropper tool, and select any color on this color spectrum, and I'll change my graphic. Once I find a color that I like, I can click apply. The next button is an add link button. So if I wanted somebody to be able to click where it says Mrs. Huber and it to take them to a different website, I would put in the website address right here. So for example, if I wanted people to be able to go to google.com by clicking my name, I'm going to put in google.com and then click apply. The next link is to edit your text, font, and color. So from here you can edit what your text looks like. I don't like any of those. I like that one. You can also edit the text color and then press apply. And then the last thing is effects. There's two effects. One is shadow, so you can put a shadow behind your text. You can also change the color of the shadow. Alpha is a transparency kind of tool. Right now it's at 100. If you take this scroll and you scroll it down, it'll start making your graphic more transparent, more invisible. So mess with it, press apply, and once you have it the way you like it, you can press OK. The next thing we're going to do is add a graphic. So go back down to that menu, find the link that says graphics, and again, all the graphics will come up. They're all categorized on the left. One thing that I like about Glogster's graphics is they have some animated graphics. So for example, we have this guy sitting at a drum set right here, a picture, and there's the same exact picture next to it except for it says animated underneath. When I click that one, I can see that it actually moves. So if you see any graphics that say animated, click it and see how it moves. See what it does. So I'm going to use the roller skate. Press the use it, and again it adds it to my glog. I can move it around. I can make it big. I can rotate it. So I wanted to show you something else on this editing menu. So one of the things it says is, let me scroll up a little bit so you can see it better. Bring it forward and put it behind. So what that is say I want my skate over here, but it's blocking my Miss Huber. I can click the link that says put it behind, and now it's behind the Mrs. Huber. Or I could push bring it forward, and now it's in front of it. I can also use this clone tool, and if I press that, it'll make two of the exact same graphic, but I'm going to delete that one. And then I still have the same options if I go under edit. I can change the color of the graphic. I can link it, so I can make it to where somebody clicks that graphic and it takes them to a different website. For example, apslearning.net. And then I can also do the shadow, changing the shadow color, and then making it more transparent. And then apply. And again, when you're done, press OK. And that is how you add graphics and text to your Glogster.